As car enthusiasts, we know that your garage is your safe space. Everything you need should be within arm's reach in your garage, and sometimes we just run out of room. I've been in this garage now for a couple years since we've been into this house, and it looks a little different than it did. Previously, we had not only this shelf with all of our storage boxes on it, but we also had a shelf here with all of our storage boxes on it. And I've started to realize with 3 cars and working on 3 different cars all the time, I need more workable space than I do need storage. And this has kind of been a temporary solution, plastic table just with a bunch of shit on it. So we can do better than this. It's time to break out whatever saws I have and head to Home Depot. Okay, wood acquired, circular saw acquired. Yeah, I think this is gonna be pretty simple. I tried to get it to where I'd be using not a lot of wood, so I'm gonna use the studs on the wall for that back half of it, and then I'm gonna make like a little tabletop and then a little shelf in the middle to put stuff on, but otherwise it should be very closely sized to the tool bench. So straight across, it should just be in like an extension of the tool bench is kind of what I'm going for. So I'm just gonna start cutting, I guess, and drilling things. Yeah, this is like a weird kind of video, I suppose, but it is garage and car related. So that's what we're doing. So I'm just gonna put you guys down and get after it. All right, so I have been at this now for not a ton of time, but I'm no carpenter either. So if you guys remember the hose reel wheel holder thing, there's still people commenting on that video telling me how it's not a hose reel, how I should have done it. I'm not a carpenter, guys. I can do cars, I can do all that stuff, but building things I'm not great at. But this turned out pretty well. I'm very happy with it. It's got enough space, so I put a bunch of stuff in it. Now I've got more room on this shelf that I'll be able to put some more bins on, move some of those top bins down lower so they're not so heavy. But now I have like a full workbench, and I need to push over the tool bench just a little bit. It's not gonna be exactly the same height, but like I said, for just like some rough measurements, I don't think I did a half bad job. But there's one more thing we need to add to this workbench right now, and that is where today's sponsor comes in. So the sponsor of today's video is Barrina, and Barrina makes lights for your garage spaces, shop spaces, basically anywhere you're working. Barrina is there to light up your space a little bit better. In both of my garages now, not sponsored, but I did install their LED lights on the ceilings in my last garage and this garage, and I absolutely love them the way they link together. So they reached out to me and they said, hey, let's get you some more lights. And I said, you know what? I'm making a workbench. Would you guys like to help out lighting up that space? And they said yes, they're very excited. Sent this out to me, and we're gonna do this little unboxing now. So inside we have our light system. These are also linkable if you do buy this model number right here. But it comes with the chain, it comes with the pull string. It's a standalone light fixture that integrates into what we've already got. So Should be pretty cool and match all of our color temperatures. And this thing is really quite nice. It's got a diffused lens over it, so it's not gonna blind you like the lights that I have in here. So they're really not blinding or anything too crazy like that. And if you do just wanna plug it into a standard outlet, you can do that. It has a 3-prong, so it's got the grounding that you need. And if you can see it, LED shop light. I'm really excited. So I think I'm gonna hang it. I think it'll be nice to just turn this on and off when needed, which will be really good for when I'm working at the new tool bench that we just built. So I'm gonna get this installed and we'll test it out. And thanks again to Barrina. Go down below in the description, check out their stuff. Like I said, I've ordered their stuff and they're sponsoring this video and I love it. It's very affordable, it's very nice. I've never had a bulb go out on me or anything like that. Very, very, very worth it. If you are shopping for your garage or your shop and you need some lighting, check out Barrina. All right, I very quickly threw in an outlet in my attic. So instead of running like an extension cable all the way around, this is the right way to do it. So it's plugged in, and just to show you guys really quick, it is mega bright. All right, let's hang it up. All right, everything is all installed and it looks awesome. It's hanging very, very evenly, which I'm stoked about. They include all of the hanging accessories that you'll need. As I said, I put mine up into the ceiling. Only weird thing is like I had to go through the little hatch, but it is straight. It's mostly measured properly, you know. This is kind of like a run and gun sort of thing, but this Barrina light is what makes it, because check this out. There's a lot of times in this garage where like I'm trying to get something done that requires a little bit closer inspection, and the lighting in here is great, but now it's like, wow, absolutely beautiful. There's not really any shadows. It looks really, really good. So I'll just have to clean everything up now, but huge shout out again to Barrina for sponsoring this video and providing their LED shop light, because it just makes a world of difference for all the little stuff that we're gonna be doing on our new workbench. So if you've made it this far in this video, thanks a million. I know this is like not the normal run of schedule for our videos, considering this is like a garage update, but it's something that needed to get done. I really wanted to extend my workspace, and we've done just that with the help of Barrina and the workbench that we've made today. And if you have made it this far in this video, you'll know that I'm also spending time prepping for Miatas at the Gap. If you guys have made it this far into this video, now you know. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make it. I'm 90% sure I'm going to be there. So I'll be bringing some straps so everybody can pick up some if you want to while we're there, see the car, meet me, all that stuff. So this month has just been run and gun. The cars have been in good shape. I've been doing some work on the Miata, just kind of getting it like, you know, prepped is what I'm doing, is prepping it. But otherwise, I'm gonna go relax and just keep planning, keep working. Again, thank you Barrina. Go down below and shop their site to pick up some LED shop lights or lights for your garage ceiling or workspace, whatever. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you are new to the channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one.